up?
What is up, everybody? It is your boy Parikshit. As you guys saw the title of the video, I bought my first Rolex at the age of 20. Listen, you know, this is not some crazy event because the amount I spent on mentorship, coaches, courses, I could have bought 4 of these. Yeah, I just felt like it was the time to get one, and when I put this on, it seemed right. It just felt right. You know, when Meek Mill said in the end of Dreams and Nightmare, he said, it was something about that rollie when it first touched my wrist. Had me feeling like the dope boy when he first touched that brick, right? And yeah, that literally just went in my mind, and I just looked at this Rolex. It just felt the same way, you know? So I told the girl, buying it, put the Amex in, done. It was simple like that, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I filmed a little vlog, little video for it. I didn't film too much. We filmed like just a part where, you know, she showcased me the Rolex. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. Before I actually show you guys the Rolex, check this out, man. They gave me a Rolex gym bag as a gift. Shout out Rolex, man. I don't know anyone else that has this. If you have this, hey, send me a pic on Instagram at @SplashmanPB. Also got my homie Irfan here. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, another rollie. You know what I'm saying? We're trading stocks right now. By the way, made $500 on stocks today. If you guys should just diversify your income, because I'm telling you, my stock portfolio is gonna pay for this Rolex in a week. I promise you that. What is up, everybody? So I am currently vlogging from my iPhone, going to get ready to go to Rolex. I'm buying my first Rolex. I'm 20 years old. It's my first Rolex. I'm excited for this. I've been having, actually, you know, what's crazy to me is that I've spent so much money, well over $40,000 US this year on my education. And I think, you know what? I've earned it. I'm gonna go get a Rolex for myself. I've always wanted one. I'm slowly getting into watches as well. And also, you know what? It's some G shit, so why not, right? So hope you guys enjoy this little mini vlog that I'm gonna film. I'm about to Uber there soon. My homie Thivian really hooked it up. You know, he's a VIP at Rolex, so he hooked me up with a nice appointment. So let's see what's up. Let's see if I actually buy something today. So what are we doing right now?
You know, just getting fucking rollies on the wrist. What watch was it?
The day date.
Oh, it was another day date?
Yeah, I mean, like we did the same watch that your father got. Yeah. We do it right dial.
Yeah.
It's perfectly. Oh my god.
Is it? Is it good on you?
Yo,
yeah.
It feels so nice on me, actually.
That was nice. That was really nice. That's really nice.
The fit is good, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Alright guys, right now I'm at my friend's Irfan's crib. As you guys, he has a beautiful CN Tower view as well. You can't see, but this is Irfan. He's a closer. I guess we're rollie boys now, you know what I mean? He inspired me to get one too. But yeah, right now we're gonna just sit down, vibe. We have some Cuban cigars that we're gonna smoke.
Getting while you sleep, sleeping while you wake. My chapter with you is done, I read a different page. Only heard the second part when I said give and take. How could you tell lies and then just look me in the face? Doing what I want, saying what I feel. Filling in the blanks, baby, go and spin the wheels. I had to switch up the
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video, that little mini vlog. But before I even go, I want to, you know, just say I'm really grateful to be in a position to do this, you know what I mean? I want to thank my mentors, my social circle, my family, most importantly, my business. You know, without my business, none of this is possible. I've been just grateful enough to have a business that allows me to basically, you know, get the cash flow to do things like this. So I'm truly grateful for this. And like I said, guys, I know this isn't the smartest investment. I know this is not the smartest thing to do with my money, but I want you guys to understand, like, I'm all about living life on your terms, right? And when I put this Rolex on, I'm telling you guys, I don't go crazy over flashy things, but this looks so beautiful, and I couldn't stop looking at it, right? And one of the things about me living life on my terms is buying what I want. And I wish I filmed a clip of me just buying this, because it was very nonchalant. I was just like, no hesitation. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this. Let's do it. Put the Amex in, all that. We didn't get a clip of that, but if you don't believe me, ask my homie Thivian that was with me, right? But you know, like it's about that, right? You don't always have to think about like, oh, if I buy this now, what value would it be? Oh, like more times, whatever I paid for this Rolex is gonna get paid for by stocks, by my emails. You know, I have so many things I do, but if you are working hard, this stuff like this is not gonna affect. Like really, a Rolex, you should be at you should only buy a Rolex when you can buy this and it doesn't affect you, right? And I'm just grateful to be in that position. I hope this inspires you more than anything, guys, because like less than 3 years ago, I was working at Home Depot. I'm not even making that up. 2 years ago, I was still a broke kid going to college, you know, and still at university 2 years ago. And a year ago, man, I wasn't in the best spot either. So anything can change in a year or two. Just, you know, keep on working, keep on building skills, be consistent, and anything is possible. I hope you guys like this video. One more time, I'll show you guys the Rolex.
Focus.
Doesn't matter, you just caught it.
Blessed. All right.
And it's like, and I know I didn't show the price in this video, so listen, everybody that you know is watching the video, comment down the price in US dollars what you think this cost me, because I'm curious to see what you guys think. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Stay